Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's class is a 15-minute yoga flow designed for mornings and can be practiced any time of the day when you need to refresh and recenter. Let's begin in tabletop. Walk the hands under the shoulders and the knees under the hips, centered on the mat. With a long back, tuck your toes, lower hips to heels for child's pose with a foot stretch. Relax your elbows into the mat and begin to breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Inhale, rise up to tabletop. Untuck the toes. Arch your back through cow pose. Exhale, round your back through cat. Inhale through cow, a belly stretch. Exhale through cat, a back stretch. Inhale through cow. Exhale through cat. Inhale through cow, and from here, lower the chest and chin to the ground for Ashtanga Namaskara. Pause for a moment. Slide your legs straight back and lower your hips. Rise to fingertips on either side of your chest as wide as your mat. Inhale, rise up to a cobra pose. Exhale, lower down slow. Inhale, press up, maybe a little higher. Exhale, lower down. One more. Inhale, rise up, a slight lift of the chin. Exhale, tuck the chin, forehead down. Plant your hands, press back to child's pose, big toes touch. Option to take hands together above your head in a shark fin, just to get a deeper stretch through the shoulders. From here, lower the hands to the earth and press up to tabletop for bird dog pose. Inhale extends your left leg straight up and back, in line with your hip. Draw the belly button towards the spine. Option to reach your right arm forward, opposite arm to leg. Lower your hand and keep the leg extended. Lower the foot. Pivot to a modified side plank with your right foot behind your right knee, left foot in line. Extend the top arm up and overhead, breathing into a left side body stretch. Inhale to rise up, stack shoulders over hips. Release the left hand to left thigh, right arm by right ear. Flowing with breath, release your right hand down, left arm overhead. Inhale up, right arm overhead. Exhale down one more time. Extend. Inhale up, using your core. Exhale, release all the way down and back to a tabletop centered on your mat. Other side. Extend your right leg straight up and back. Option to extend the left arm forward. Draw the belly button inward and gaze straight down. Hold for another 2 breaths. Lower your hand and your foot with the leg extended. Pivot left foot behind left knee. Inhale, top arm up and overhead, breathing into a right side body stretch. Use your core to rise up, right hand to right thigh, left arm by left ear. Breathe into the left side. Moving with breath, lower the left hand, right arm overhead. Inhale up strong, left arm overhead. Again, exhale down. Inhale, rise. Exhale down through tabletop and downward facing dog. Let's take some movement here, bending one knee deeply at a time. From downward facing dog, walk your hands to the back of the mat towards your feet. Heel toe the feet a little wider. Inhale to a half lift. Exhale, fold over gently bent knees. Option to reach hands for elbows in ragdoll. And perhaps straighten one leg at a time, creating a sway from side to side. Allow your head to stay heavy as you release your hands. Slowly rise up to stand, one vertebrae at a time. Head is last. Inhale, arms to the sky, and shift the weight to the mounds of your toes, lifting your heels in high mountain pose. Draw the belly button back. From here, take a Tadasana walk to the top of the mat, heels high. And when you arrive, lower the heels and sit low in chair pose. Option to take hands at heart center. Breathe. On your next exhale, fold over straight legs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, lunges the left foot back. Left hand under left shoulder, right arm high to a twisted lunge. Option to lower the back knee. Plant your top hand through runner's lunge. Shift the weight back and extend your right leg. Then bend back to runner's lunge. Do that a few more times each way, moving at your own pace. Step the back foot up for pyramid pose. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And exhale, fold over the right thigh. There can be as much of a bend in the front knee as you need here, breathing deep into your right hip and hamstring. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Step to the top of the mat. Exhale, fold over legs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, lunges the right foot back. With right hand under right shoulder, left arm high to a twisted lunge. Once again, you can always take the back knee down. Exhale the top hand down through dynamic movement as you lengthen the front leg and bend back through the knee. Move like this a few times with your breath. Step the back foot up and pivot the heel down. With a long spine, exhale, fold over the left thigh. Breathe into the back of your left leg. On your next inhale, press to a half lift and step to the top of your mat. Exhale, fold over legs. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, steps left foot back, sending right leg high to three-legged dog. Bend through the top knee and open the hip wide. Step your right foot between your hands again. Pivot the back heel down through warrior one. Inhale, rise. Arms to the sky. Hold for a couple of breaths. Exhale through warrior two. Widen the stance between your feet, arms wide, gazing over your right hand. Inhale, press the front leg straight through peaceful triangle. Hold for another breath or two. Exhale, circles your hands to the ground. Step to the top of your mat. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, steps right foot back with left leg high to three-legged dog. Bend through the knee, open the hip wide. Exhale, steps the left foot between the hands through warrior one. Inhale, rise for just a few breaths. Exhale wide through warrior two. Shoulders over hips, arms in one line, gazing forward. Inhale through peaceful triangle. Hold for a couple of breaths. Exhale, circles the hands to the ground, stepping back to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. Inhale through plank and lower your knees, sitting down with your right shin parallel to the top edge, left shin parallel to the side edge, left knee into right foot. With a long spine, fold over the right shin, feeling a nice stretch in your right hip. Go as far as you can comfortably, as we'll be here for several breaths. Slowly rise up to seated, one vertebrae at a time. Inhale your right arm high, lengthen. Exhale, twist to your right. Right hand behind, left hand to right thigh. Exhale to unwind and switch out the legs. Left shin to the top, right shin to the side. With a long spine, fold over the left shin. Once again, we're here for a while, so breathe deep and ease in. Slowly rise up through seated. Reaching the left arm high, inhale. Exhale, twist to your left. With your left hand behind, right hand to left thigh. Sit tall. Exhale to unwind the pose and make your way into a comfortable seated position at the top of your mat. Roll your shoulders down your back. I will mirror you here. Right fingertips reach for the earth as the left ear drops to left shoulder. Left hand can be placed on the side of your head as you gently stretch your right side neck. Lower your chin to your left collarbone to change the stretch towards the back of the neck. Roll left ear to left shoulder and head through center. Left fingertips to the earth. Right ear, right shoulder. Right hand can be placed to the side of your head for a gentle help. Lower your chin towards your right collarbone to change the stretch. Roll the right ear to right shoulder and head through center. Inhale, reaches arms up and overhead. Exhale, hands at heart. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed the class, and if you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and leave a comment. And consider subscribing to my channel. We'll see you in the next one. Namaste.